Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll share with you top 5 websites that you can use to get free PSD template for your next design project. Whether you are looking for design template, mockup template, free PSD template, consider to stay tuned to this video and see top 5 free PSD templates that you might think of for free. Let me show you how. The very fifth one on my list right here. So come to your address bar right here on your browser. I'm using Chrome browser, and then go ahead and visit this particular website right here, psdreview.com. Hit enter key on your keyboard, and then it takes you to the official webpage right here. Now here you can get PSD mockup, icons, music blocks, and SD template, mobile UI kit, and website, etc. So scroll down right here and see interface and some of the templates available on the site right here. Click on show all resources right there. This will allow you to see all available PSD templates such as mockup and free design templates. And right here, the site here has about 560 something plus pages, which means that you can click on here to move to the next page, and you see thousands of free templates for your design. So you can see it right here. So this is one of the fifth one I have for you. Let's take a look at the fourth one I have for you as far as free PSD template website is concerned. So I'm going to create a new tab right here. So the fourth one I have for you right here, go ahead and come to your address bar right here and go to this particular website, psfiles.com. Hit enter, and in a few minutes you're going to see all available free PSD templates, just like what you see right here. Then you can navigate from the home tab right here, where you have actions, gradients, layer styles and patterns, switch, custom shapes and contours, etc. You need brushes for your PSD, then you need mockups for your design. So these are available, thousands of mockup right here. You need social media, then you need templates of different kind of design like flyers or poster, website mobile design element, photo effect, brochure, banner, etc. You need any banner PSD template, go ahead and click on banner. And in a few seconds, you are going to see all available banner. This is free YouTube banner for gaming and free Ramadan Kareem flyer PSD. These are all PSD templates, and it is all done for free. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the templates that is available on this. So this is the fourth one I have for you as far as free PSD templates. Now let's take a look at the third one. Third one I have for you as far as this free PSD template is concerned. We're going to come to the top right here, create a new tab. Then I will go to the search bar right here and make sure I visit this particular website, free-psd-template.com. Hit enter key on your keyboard, and in a few seconds it takes you to the official webpage, whereby you have access to all available free PSD templates, such as mockup. From the top right here, you have different types of mockup. So you have different types of mockup like apparel, bags, boots, and bottles, boxers, etc. Then if you need flyer design templates or whatever type of design template, navigate to these sections right here. You have business template, Christmas and New Year template, church, food, teaching, and nightclub template. If you need any of these design templates, go ahead and click on it. If you need any type right here, then it's going to open up. You can see these are DJ flyer design templates right here that you can all get for free. So this is the third template. So this is the third website I have for you as far as free PSD template is concerned. Let's take a look at the second one I have for you as far as this free PSD template is concerned. The second one I have for you as far as free PSD template is concerned. So I'm going to go ahead now and create a new tab from the top right here. I'll come to the address bar, and then what you want to do is to visit this particular website, freepik.com. It's take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right there, freepik.com, and in a few seconds it's going to load up to the official web page of freepik.com. So if you are logging in for the first time, it's not going to take you right here. You just want to make sure that you log in with your Google account or whatever means of login options you have to have access to all available tools in this particular freepik.com. Now, how do you get free PSD templates in this particular website? What you want to do when you log into the site, go ahead and navigate to the sidebar right here. Go ahead and click on stock. From stock, navigate to design sections and come down below right here, click on PSD. And in a few seconds, you're going to see all available. So just like what you see right here, free PSD for your creative project. right here. So you can go ahead and scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see free PSD template as far as this particular website is concerned. This is the second one I have for you. Let's take a look at the very first one as far as free PSD template is concerned. The very first one I have for you as far as top 5 free websites to get free PSD template is concerned. So go ahead and create a new tab from the top right here. Then go ahead and type in graphic burger. So go ahead and type in graphic burger and hit enter on your keyboard. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. And then in a few seconds, it's going to take you to the official webpage of graphicburger.com. Then here you get a lot of free PSD templates of your choice, just like what you see right there. So all items, and then at the top right there, you have free PSD templates in mockups. You have UI kits, and you have icons in PSD templates, text effect, backgrounds, and others. Then from the home page right here, you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all free PSD templates, just like what you see right there. You can see t-shirt mockup in PSD.